Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tarneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which is at the right side. Hit that subscribe button and next to that there's a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's get started with today's video now. So today's video is about March Fab bag. So I received the March Fab bag today itself. So I'm going to unbox. Actually, it's unboxed already, so I'm going to show you what products I got in March Fab bag. So first of all, when I'm going to open this one, a beautiful blue color bag is there, which is I love. You can see how pretty the color is and it's so shiny and the stuff is so good. I like it. And also apart from that, I got two products which is outside the bag. So let me just show you what are that two products, and it comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging. Everywhere it says Fab bag. So the first product that I receive and I can see is this. It's Revitalizes Skin Cleansing Pore. Okay, this is a face wash. It says activated charcoal face wash and it's a 100-gram product, and the manufacturing date is 10/17. That means 10th month, and the packaging is on 10th month 2017, last year. Okay, so and it retails for ₹200. And let me just show you this product. It comes in this kind of a plastic packaging. Let me just open it and we'll show it to you. On the plastic packaging, this is what it says. You can see that's it, and this is the product. Let me just show you. This is the face wash that I received. As I already told you, this is 100-gram of product, and it says removes excess oil, revealing fair looking skin underneath, and it's a Revitalizes Skin Cleansing Pore face wash, and it's a new one. It's from Health With Bath and Body. Yes, so this is the first product that I received. This is an activated charcoal face wash. And the next product that I got is this eyeliner from, it's a pencil eyeliner that I received from Nelf. Let me just open it. It comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging, and on the cardboard packaging only the price and everything is written. The price is 150 rupees and the color is sizzling blue. So, and it says it's number 11, and let me just go ahead and show it to you. Okay, so this is the product. So this is the swatch, and you can see how good and how creamy it is. You can see how creamy and pigmented as well. So this is the second product that I got. And when it comes to the bag is so soft, the quality is so good, and I love the look of the bag, and it says Fab bag here. Let me just open it and show you what products I got in the bag. Okay, so the first product that I can see is this from Ayorma. It's a deep exfoliator and it's a 10-gram of product. Okay, and it says the manufacturing date is 2017 and the expiring date is 2019. That's a good thing. So this is the deep exfoliator. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the third product that I got. And the next product that I can see in the bag is this lipstick from Sugar. So firstly, let me just tell you, they sent us an email, just choose the color. So I choose the color which is very mulberry. So this is the lipstick from Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick series, like range. So this is how the product looks like, and it comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging. Everywhere it says sugar, and the cardboard packaging is also so cute. You can see here. So when I am going to open this product, this is how the actual product looks like, and the color is so gorgeous. You can see from the transparent packaging as well. As you can see, it says Sugar, and let me just give you a swatch for the product, like for the lip color. Oh my god, loved it. So this is the fourth product that I got, and the next product is, this is a sample size product, and this is a perfume, a small scent. This is the bottle that I received. This is a sample size product, and yes, this is it. And also I can see these two cards. So on the one card, the contest is like the things about the contest is written, like how we can participate in the contest, which is going on my fab bag. So it's like you have to click a picture of March fab bag and you have to tag them with the picture in hashtag my fab bag on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and you can stand a chance to win a Bella Voste matte chubby stick in the shade 03 Barbie pink. So this is the thing that is written on the card. You can see here on this card, like the name of the products whatever we got in this month, that name of the products are written here with the prices. So these are the 2 cards that I got, and that's it. It's empty now. So these are the 5 products that I got, and this time let me tell you, I like all the products that I got. Literally, I like, it's the first time I think each and every product, like I like each and every product in the fab bag, also the fab bag as well. This is like a happy moment for me. So this is it. And so firstly, let me tell you something about fab bag. So fab bag is a monthly beauty subscription, like in which you can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. It all depends upon you. If you want to take a 1 month subscription, each and everything will be written here, or I'm going to leave the link and the things, whatever the prices, with the prices in the description box. Make sure you check that on. Like fab bag is an all-time favorite beauty subscription for me, and also this is the first beauty subscription that I got for myself. It's been 2 years I am with the fab bag. I'm receiving fab bags from last 2 years, and I'm really happy with the fab bag subscription box. And also they give you some questionnaires in which you can choose yourself your favorite colors and your favorite whatever about you, like whatever you like, and about your skin types, your hair type, everything. This is what I like about fab bag. This is it for today, guys, and I hope you liked the video. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. Subscribing to my channel, it's free. It will not charge you, but yes, it will mean a lot to me. So show some love by clicking on that subscribe button and the bell icon as well, and stay connected, stay happy. So I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.